Guys, what is going on? Welcome to next week's call forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. Okay, dokie. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. What is the first thing that we can see? Of course, the monthly bullish impulse leg right here. So we know we are bullish on the monthly time frame. What's the second thing that we want to do? We want to mark off the previous monthly candlestick high and the previous monthly candlestick low. That gives us our monthly trading range. However, the price has already broken out of the tops. So what we want to be looking for in this situation is price to pull back, use this level as support, and give us continuations from there. However, on the monthly time frame, there's not really an indication of where price could be going next apart from up. So we need to jump down the time frames. So weekly time frame, this is looking a lot nicer now. So what we need to do, guys, is mark off the previous, but current week, but tomorrow will be the previous weekly candlestick high and the weekly candlestick low to give us our weekly trading range going into next week. But what can we see down here? We've got a beautiful looking imbalance. So what do I want to see at the beginning of next week? I want to see price open up. And I want to see price not take out this liquidity. I want to see price pull back and take out this liquidity. This level here is going to be the first level where we're going to look for reversals. And then we're going to look to trade price back up through this weekly range. However, if price continues below this level, what we're going to be looking for, I want to see price to mitigate somewhere inside this candle. This full imbalance fill would be beautiful, gives a nice reaction, and look to take continuations back through this entire price action range right there. So let's quickly measure this out with the fib, this weekly price action range. So this pullback here would be tapping into the 618. So that's a beautiful psychological level as well to wait for price to get to. So our first level that we're going to be looking for reversals from is this level here. Take out the previous weekly low, capture some liquidity, tap into this imbalance, nice reaction, boom. We will take buys up. However, if price fails here, what are we going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for price to come further down, use this level here as resistance then, and we'll wait for price to get down somewhere in here, and then we'll wait for the reaction and look for the continuations. So if we go down to the daily, what can we see? It's basically the same again. I mean, if we measure up the price action daily high to low here, again, look, nice psychological level for price to come back into and give us those reversals here. But again, pretty much the same as the weekly. Hopefully, as I said, on the weekly time frame, move these out of the way. We don't take out this previous weekly high at the beginning of the week, and we pull back. We take this low out first, and we can look to trade up. It doesn't matter if we do. This is still probably the higher probable scenario, but it gives us a little bit more confidence if price doesn't take this out first. If we just pull back, we know with a higher probability that price is going to potentially give us a continuation from here and blast through that high here. Whereas if we take that out first, our target is just going to be that high. It's a lower probable that it's going to blast through the high. So if we go down to the 4 hour, what can we see here? We know what we're expecting on the higher time frame. Very nice zone down here. However, yep, we're bullish, but price is ranging. You see, price is stuck in this range here, bouncing between the levels. So this gives us another layer of confidence. If price comes down here, takes that liquidity out, the price is going to bounce again and continue back through that weekly range. However, we do have a nice imbalance here. So depending on what price is looking like coming into Monday morning, if we push up a little bit, this could be a nice retracement trade we could take here, define it, refine it on the lower time frame, and then look to trade price back through to that high, because the move that could potentially make a new high could come from here. So we've got this zone here that we're going to look to take buys from. This zone here we're going to look to take buys from. And if both of those zones fail, then we've got this zone down here that we're going to look to take buys from. Okie dokie, 1 hour. So we have a nice imbalance here, look, that price is currently tapping into, and a little one right at the top. So we could see price mitigate. It's mitigating this imbalance here. But if we see reversal here or here, that could be the move that's going to take us down to at least here, and then we'll wait for the reaction and look to take price up. Now, if we do get strong confidence here for a sell, if we do get an A plus confirmation, I will look to sell from here or here. Doubt it'll be here because I guess price is going to push up on market open. But if we come into Monday morning and prices sitting just below that, we might look to take a limit depending on where Asia range is coming into Monday morning. Look to take a sell from here, covering that high, get at least a 1 to 2 down here, wait for the reaction, look to take price back up if we get confirmation. If not, wait for price to get down here. And guys, you know the rest. So guys, that is the forecast. And I just want to remind you that we do have a free trial at the moment on the set and forget system. This set and forget system has been running for 3 months profitably since the day I launched it. It's a super, super powerful system and you can come try out for 7 days. The link is down below and you can see here, look, I've also got it set up on a little account on FTMO, just so we have another link aside from the MyFXBook link. So you can see here, look, this was started when? 25th of September. We're now on the 25th of October. And we are currently almost 9% up. So hopefully in the next 1 to 2 weeks, this should be passed. This is a P1, and then we will go on to P2. But you can see here, look, it's very safe, it's very low risk, and it's very consistent. As I say, you've got a free trial on this system, guys. And if you've got any questions on any of the systems, please go to the website. On the website, I have broken down, all of the information that you need. But if you have any extra questions, please post them in the live chat box. And that's it, guys. So if you're not in the Discord, hope to see you in the next week. If you're not in the Telegram, please jump in so you can trade with me, trade these signals with me. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a good rest of your weekend.